Hey, what's going on guys? So it's been almost 4 years I'm selling on Amazon, and 2022 was actually a great year for me from Amazon FBA point of view, because before 2022 I was actually running my Amazon FBA business and I was relying on PPC and organic rank, which was very good and which was actually giving me a good revenue. Like I was focusing on indexing my keywords on PPC and on Amazon organic rank, so the people who are actually looking to purchase my product can just go on Amazon search engine, type all of those keywords and then reach out to my product and purchase. So I basically focus a lot on listing optimization, product listing images, product ranking and product PPC, and that was actually giving me a good sales. But then I realized that right now my listing is fully optimized. I'm getting a good conversion rate. I'm having a good PPC cost, and I'm actually the system is actually working very smoothly. But then I realized that why not try some external traffic, because right now at this point my listing is converting and the conversion rate was actually more than 10%. That means if 100 people are visiting my shop, then more than 10 people are purchasing. That means there is nothing wrong with my listing. Everything is optimized, product is good, quality is good. So now I'm just getting the sales as per my traffic. For example, I am having 100 people or 100 visitors to my shop, then 10 people purchase. And the same formula goes for 1000 people. If 1000 people visit my shop, then 100 people purchase. So just like that, I was thinking to increase my traffic. Like I was believing that if instead of 1000 people, if I bring 10,000 people to my website, so I can just get 1000 sales. So by having this formula in my mind, I started looking for some external traffic ideas like from TikTok and from Google Ads. Then after finalizing these two platforms, TikTok ads and Google Ads, I finally decided to start these ads to bring traffic to my Amazon store. So I can just implement TikTok ad strategy to one of my account and Google ad strategy to my another account. And then I need to compare at the end like which one is best traffic source. So as per my opinion, Google ad is the best traffic source, and it actually gave me a very good result for my Amazon FBA store as compared to TikTok, but TikTok was also good. So in this video, I'm going to show you a complete strategy like how I use Google ads to target my keyword, target my audience and bring traffic to my Amazon listing from Google, and what are the results that I achieve. And for a TikTok, I will actually make another video because it's my another account and I'll show you my TikTok result on that. So for this video, first of all, I will show you my sales so you can just get the idea like how much sales I got after implementing that strategy. And then I'll show you how I actually target my keyword on Google Ads to get this kind of traffic, because running a Google ad is easy. You can just go on YouTube, search how to run the Google ad. You can just find many of the video, like go to ads.google.com, create a campaign, put your Amazon FBA link, and then just start running the campaign. But to make that campaign actually work, you need to focus on keyword targeting. Like you need to find out all of those keywords who are actually having low bids and low competition, so you can just get maximum traffic after spending a less money. So I'll be explaining each of my technique which I actually use to find keywords for my Google ad in this video, so you can also implement that and run your Google ad efficiently and effectively. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so let me just show you first of all my sales, then I'll show you how I search keyword. So you can see that this is one of my account, and if I just go to the reports and I just put the filter for the starting of this year, you can see that today is 26th of December, and if I just go back and go to 1st January 2022, so here you can see that after implementing the filter for 1st January and clicking on apply, so as you can see here, my total units sold were 4,228, and the total revenue for this year is $141,667. As you can see here, right now below you can see the graph. So throughout the year I was actually getting consistent sale, but after the November start and festival season start, so in Black Friday and in Christmas season, I actually got too much sales. So that's just because of three things. Number one, my listing was optimized and my conversion rate was high. Number two, my PPC was optimized and my listing was actually ranked on many of the keywords organically on Amazon. And number three, I was bringing traffic from Google ad to my Amazon listing, so I was getting good conversion from there as well. And the ACOS of PPC and ROAS of Google ad was almost pretty much same. So now let me just tell you how I find some golden keyword for Google ad to get this type of results. So for that, you just need to go on google.com, and here you need to type Google Keywords Planner. And from that, you can just click on this second link. You can just leave this first link because it's ad. So you can see that choose the right keyword with our research tool. So it's basically a free research tool from Google. So you don't have to pay anything for any tool because it is a free and amazing tool given by the Google itself, because Google knows about your audience more than you. So let the Google done work for you. So click on that. And here you can see a button called Go to Keyword Planner. But before that, you need to go up and you need to click on this sign in, and you need to sign in from your Gmail ID. So after signing in and after clicking on Go to Keyword Planner, you will be able to land on this screen. You can see that it's a Google Keyword Planner, and on the top right corner you can see some tabs, and here you can see two menus, like number one is discover new keyword and number two is get search volume and forecast. So for now we just need to click on this discover new keywords. So let's click on that. So now at this point, you need to take care of two things. Number one is location and number two is keyword. So in the location, you need to select the country in which you are selling. Like if you're selling in Amazon.com, you need to select USA here, or if you're selling in Amazon.co.uk or any other country, so you need to select that country here. Because the more information you will give Google about your product and your target market, then the more precise keyword Google will get you. So let's click on all location, and here just type United States. And here after typing and clicking, click on save. So you can see that it has covered all the USA. And after saving that, you need to just type your main keyword of your product here. So let's suppose your product is a posture corrector. So just type posture corrector here and click on get results. So after typing or searching your main keyword here, you will be able to see these results which Google is providing you as per your product. So on the left side, you can just start reading the keyword. Like you can see that the main keyword is posture corrector, and when you go down, you can see many of the golden keywords and super relevant keywords for your product here, like back brace for posture, posture brace, back posture corrector, best posture corrector belt, posture corrector Amazon. So you can see that these are actually the keyword which people are actually searching on Google, who actually wants to buy your product, who are actually searching on Google for that product. So imagine they search for that product which they want to buy, and then they see your ad popping up, and then they click on your ad and land on your Amazon listing and purchase that product. So how simple is that? But at this point, you need to make sure of one thing. You can see that on this column, these are the keyword, this is the average monthly search, and this is the top of the page bid. You can see that my currency is not USD right now because the card which is attached to my Google ad account is not in USD. So if you have attached a USD or GBP card, so these values will be in USD. So from here, you need to pick out some keyword which are having good average monthly searches, like 10,000 or maybe even 20,000 or 100,000. You can see that this is a good keyword which is having monthly searches from 10,000 to 100,000. This is also good, like 10,000 to 100,000, but this is not good, like 1,000 to 10k. But when you go down, you can see that there are some small keyword as well, which is having monthly searches from 1k to 10k. So now it's up to you. If you're having a high budget, you can just target some big keyword, or if you're having a low budget, then I recommend you to target 20, 50 or maybe 100 keyword, which are small keyword, which are having low search volume and low budget. For example, instead of targeting this keyword back brace for posture, you can just target 10 small keyword in the same amount, which are having 1k to 10k search volume and which are having very low bid. Like if a keyword is a small keyword and that keyword is having low searches and low bid, so that means you will have to pay very less money in showing your ad on that keyword. So if you spend less money for 10 to 20 keyword and those keywords are small, but a small keyword doesn't mean that they will not get any traffic. They will get traffic but less traffic. So the good strategy which I implement is target small keyword. So you need to spend less money in all of those keywords. So you can just start getting some huge amount of traffic after combination of all of those keywords. So for example, one keyword bring 10 customer to you. So 100 keyword can bring 1000 customer to you. So that is the strategy. So go there, find out some golden keyword for your product from Google Ads Planner, and then start using all of those keywords in your Google ad for the good ROAS and for the good traffic in cheaper amount. So if you do this, you can just actually get a good amount of traffic on your Amazon FBA store, and this method is not limited to Amazon FBA only. You can just use the same method to Shopify, eBay, Etsy or Walmart. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.